Cut all tomatoes, garlic, 100-gram onion into pieces and put into a wok or pan and add water and keep it on medium to low flame for 15 minutes and cover the lid. Heat wok at medium to low heat and add oil and add okras. Stir them nicely. Now add gram flour and fry well for 10 to 15 minutes. You can use fresh okra too. Add green chili and fry all together for 5 minutes. Cook okras till they are almost half done and don't forget to stir them a few times in between. Remove the lid and you will see all things get softer. Now beat well all things. Keep it on medium to low heat and add turmeric powder, red chili flakes, coriander powder and salt. Mix everything and cook well. Now add chicken and cook it with masala on medium to low heat for 5 minutes. Now add sliced onion and mix it with masala and chicken. Now cover the lid on very low heat for 10 minutes. Remove the lid and stir well for 5 minutes on medium heat. Mix chicken masala and fry okra and keep on medium to low heat for 5 to 8 minutes. Don't forget to stir them a few times in between. Dish out the okra. Chicken with okra is ready.